Hi children, welcome back to our class. Second part of the lesson 9 soil. Then today we study properties of soil. Then what is soil and what is the different types of soil layers already studied in previous class. And today we study properties of soil. Soil possesses various properties like it contains air. Then it can hold water or moisture. It can absorb or soak water. It allows water to pass down through it. Then next we study percolation rate of water. Percolation rate of water. Percolation rate of water is equal to, that means the amount of water ml by percolation time. That means amount of water ml and percolation rate. Percolation rate in bracket minute. Percolation rate represents in minute. Then what is percolation rate of water in soil? Soil is porous, that it has tiny pores in it. When water is poured over it, then some water gets absorbed in the soil and the rest passes down the soil. The process of passing down water slowly through the soil is called percolation of water. That means the soil is how much water is absorbed, and calculating their percolation rate of water is equal to amount of water divided by percolation rate. Then that is percolate through the soil in unit time, that is in minutes. The percolation rate differs in different soil types. That means three types of soils there: sandy soil, loamy soil and clay soil. These three types of soils percolation rate is different there. Then percolation rate is highest in sandy soil because it is very loose. On the other hand, clay soil is very compact and therefore has the lowest rate of percolation. The rainwater moves or reaches to well faster and in greater amount from sandy soil. Since clay soil can retain water in them, these are best soil to grow paddy because paddy requires standing water in fields. The curved road due to percolation of water becomes dry after rain, while Bakka road does not. That makes some soil type roads absorb more water. So then road, that Bakka road means tar type road and more water absorb the soil. Then moisture in soil. Moisture in soil means the soil contains some water in it, which is called soil moisture. That means soil contains water content. These represent soil moisture. Then usually moisture is present as a thin film around the soil particles. This moisture is absorbed by the roots of plants. Thus the moisture content of soil is very important for the growth of crops. That means moisture content of water is important for plants. Then next is absorption by water soil. First we discuss percolation rate of water means amount of water divided by percolation rate. Percolation rate represents in minutes and amount of water represents in ml, liter. Then absorption of water by soil. Soil contains moisture in it, but it can still absorb or stock of lot of water. But soil has a limit to absorb water in it. The ability or capacity of the soil to absorb a limit of water is called absorption percentage. That means percentage of water absorbed. First we discuss percolation rate of water. Then next is discuss absorption of water. That means amount of water absorbed by amount of soil. Then different types of soil can absorb water. This water rate is representing milliliter. Amount of water divided by percolation rate minutes. Amount of water divided by percolation rate minutes. Then water retention. The ability of soil to hold water is called water retention. That means soil is absorb how much amount of water. This type of process is called water retention. Then the space between soil particles is called porous. Provide the passage for gases and moisture within the soil. The ability of soil to retain water is strongly related to the particle size. Then water molecules hold more tightly to the fine particles of the clayey soil than the coarser particle of a sandy soil. That means then how to represent water retention. Sandy soil will absorb less water and allows more water to percolate. That means sandy soil absorb more water and to percolate. Then this is clayey soil. Clayey soil will absorb more water but allow less water to percolate. Clayey soil have less percolation rate. Sandy soil have more percolation rate, and clay soil have less percolation rate. Sandy soil will absorb less water than clayey soil because of the large spaces between the soil particles. The area where there is a lot of clay in the soil, stagnant water collected above the soil whenever it rains. That means sandy soil contains more aerated, and clayey soil is tighter, and sandy soil's percolation rate is high and clayey soil's percolation rate is low. Then next we discuss then soil and crops. That means what is the importance of soil in crops. Different types of soil are found in different parts of India. Soil is mainly affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. Some climatic factors also affect the soil profile and bring changes in the soil structure. Then the plants that grow on the surface of earth are called vegetation. When plants growing on the earth are called vegetation. Vegetation is called vegetation. Plants grow on the earth are called vegetation. Then it includes green grass, herbs, shrubs, bushes, crops, plants, and already studied in 6th class what is herbs, shrubs and bushes. Then vegetation is mostly in the fertile topsoil of the earth and covers the soil like a green sheet spread on the surface of the earth. Then the component of soil along with various climatic determine the type of vegetation in particular region. Clay and loamy soil are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat and gram. Such soils are good at retaining water. Then for paddy soil rich in clay and organic matter and having a good capacity to retain water are ideal. Then for lentils, masoor and other pulses, loamy soil which drain water easily are required. Then for cotton, sandy, loam or long, then which drain water easily and can hold plenty of air and more suitable. When crops such as wheat are grown in the fine clay soils because they are rich in humus and very fertile. Then next we study soil erosion. The removal of land surface by water, wind or ice is known as erosion. That means heavy rain coming, then this soil is flow away to another place. This type of process is called soil erosion. The topsoil very fertile, and in the absence of it, the plants cannot grow. That means topsoil not present that area, the plants cannot grow. Why topsoil is important in plants? Because topsoil contains humus minerals there. Then in the absence of plant, soil becomes loose. As the plant roots bind to soil, soil erosion is mainly caused by the large scale cutting of forest, trees and plants. Okay. Then we have to, that means in this lesson we understand that soil is important part of our life. Then we have to more planted trees, then more trees, avoid soil erosion, and we have to plant trees or small plants. The soil is fertile and their fertility process is cycling there. Some plants growing, these plants dead downside, then soil fertilized with the help to earthworms. Okay.